Hey guys, it's been a while since the last video. I think the last video we made was me putting on the intake on the TSX, but a lot has happened since then, and I got a new car. I was telling you guys I got for the car. Yeah, so I got coilovers. These are K-tuned K1s. Shout out to JDM Addiction for hooking it up. We're gonna unbox this now and we'll see how it looks. Damn. Okay, everything's like cardboarded, like safe. I'll take a coilover out and show you guys. It's pretty heavy, but I think that's just me right now. I feel like the stock ones are probably heavier. You got your camber adjustment, top hat, nice K-tune sticker right here. It's a pretty coilover. I won't lie. It's like gunmetal, but no one's gonna be really seeing this. I'm pretty sure it has dampening too at the top here. I guess you put in an Allen key or something and turn out. So you got the spanners and yes, the little Allen keys to go in and adjust the dampening. Damn. You adjust them with this. I guess how tight you want it, but we'll see when we install it on. The rear struts, I think are these. Yeah, just a strut. Feels pretty strong. Pretty decent. I like them. So on Monday we're gonna go and install these at a daily shop, and hopefully the car will be sitting good and riding good too.
Alright, so today we're gonna be doing I'm back actually, man. It's been a long time since I've done a video. It's 2020 coronavirus season. Shit. So yo, today we're back with my boy actually, the one with the TSX. You guys remember the TSX? Well, he's back with the 9 Gen, no more TSX 2020. He got a 15 Civic Coupe 9 Gen. Yeah,
TSX is in the is at home actually.
So TSX is still in the family, but you know, man had to make the switch. Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing coilover install on this bad boy. Okay, first things first, set the car up on the hoist. Be very careful while you guys are pulling these, because these things they're known to bend, known to break, so just be careful while you're pulling these. So this side is a 19 and this side is a 22. Like, what the heck?
Yeah guys, so to take out the back liner, it's literally like, what is it, 3 clips? Shit, you guys probably can't see that. my flashlight. There's one right there, one right there, one right there. Same thing on this side. And we're just gonna like, I'm just gonna fold it back so we got access to it. Put it down like that. Same thing on this side. Take this, fold it. Like that. You can get to that strut right there. And this one.
Stops there. It's right here. It's right in front of the torch. Oh yeah. Okay. Comes down. So the reason the clip just ended there was because with the rear suspension, we were having a lot of difficulties, and also we stopped recording. We weren't recording as much because it was just really difficult, but that is the reason that the clip just stopped where it was. Okay, so today, out with my boy. Just got the car wash, just did a little thing. It's a little thing. Clean off the car them. So if you guys remember from the video, we installed some K1 coils on this bad boy. He hasn't ridden on it on the stiffest setting yet. So now he's adjusting it to the stiffest. And then we're gonna go for a little drive and see what turns out, man. But this thing is so clean, man. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Just look at it, yo. Jeez.